About 70% of the world is covered by water, and 97% of this water lies in the oceans and seas, and most of it stands undiscovered and untouched by us humans. Through all these years, the seven seas have thrown many mysterious things on the land which left us speechless and dumbstruck. We are all well aware about how a whole other world resides underneath these blue salty water, and the creatures living there are far more deadly than our imagination. Today we will be swimming down into its depth and find out 10 terrifying creatures found in the oceans. Let's get started. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. The blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopuses might seem sweet, but they are nothing to play around with. In addition to the bright blue rings, the octopuses are famous for having extremely potent venom that can be strong enough to kill a person. There is currently no known anti-venom to treat a person who has been bitten. Wow! It can use its venom to immobilize its prey by either of two methods. 1. Biting the prey and injecting the venom directly into the wound, or 2. Releasing a cloud of venom into the water which enters potential prey through its gills. Southern blue-ringed octopuses are only a threat to humans when they feel threatened and directly bite someone. It was also recorded that the blue-black rings only appear if the creatures feel threatened or agitated. The venom of the creature consists of neurotoxin that it secretes from its salivary glands when coming across a potential predator, humans included. The most threatening part about it is that this single creature contains enough poison for 26 young adults to die. Scuba divers would not even realize about its sting and will die then and there. Before anything, why don't we take a look at this deadly creature, and it's so pointy as it will tear the flesh of other creatures. We came across this image while researching, and you won't be stunned to know they actually don't have any known identity, but can be resembled other creatures like lampreys. They're also known as lamprey eels, which come from an ancient lineage of jawless fish. So sources have said that once these fishes were in abundance and had other sea creatures' flesh and blood on their menu list. In fact, they were found in so abundance that they were eaten as delicacy by ancient Romans. Yikes. Number 9. The kangaroo fish. Throughout the Amazon Valley for more than 100 years, the tale has been told of a fish that has the uncanny habit of penetrating the urethra of men and women bathers, particularly if they should pass urine while in the water. I know this scares you and even chills your body, but this is a true code we came across while going through its history. Many people have a faint recollection of hearing something about such a creature, but it appears that today, and especially in the social media, it is the more juvenile minds that have turned the kangaroo into a bizarre legend. It is a small, slender, transparent fish about 3 to 5 centimeters long. It feeds on blood from gills of larger fish and has, for this purpose, opercular spines that are used to hold on and provide sufficient space for feeding. Looking through its pictures, the fish may seem harmless and tiny, but until now all are quite known the fact that as small as the creature appears, more terrifying it actually is. You and I can't even think about the pain and misery this little fish can cause. However, it can only be removed by surgery. Number 8. The Great Barracuda. Great barracudas are large fish. Mature specimens are usually around 60 to 100 centimeters in length and weigh 2.5 to 9 kg. Great barracuda is blue-gray above, fading to silvery and chalky white below. In general, barracudas are elongated fish with powerful jaws. They lie in these shallow creeks and crevices down in the sea and manage to attack with a strike. The lower jaw of the large mouth juts out beyond the upper. Barracudas possess strong, fang-like teeth that are unequal in size and set in the sockets in the jaws and on the roof of the mouth. Barracudas appear in the open seas. They are voracious predators and hunt by ambush. They rely on surprise and short bursts of speed up to 27 miles per hour to overrun their prey, sacrificing their maneuverability. Barracudas are scavengers and may mistake snorkelers for large predators, following them in hopes of eating the remains of their prey. Swimmers have been reported being bitten by barracuda, but such incidents are rare and possibly caused by poor visibility. Barracudas may mistake objects that glint and shine for prey. Barracuda attacks on humans are rare, and although bites can result in lacerations and the loss of some tissue, they are also frequently caught as a source of sustenance, though they are known for the strong odor they release upon being caught. Number 7. The flower urchin. Let me warn you, this flower urchin is not really a flower but can kill you. As pretty as it looks in these pictures, touching one of these is considered a fatal mistake, and scuba divers are actually scared to encounter one of these. It is found across the tropic areas of the Indo-West Pacific. Flower urchins live in the rubble area found between coral reefs, particularly where there is enough algae growth. As seen in pictures, their bodies are covered in many pink and white short spines, and if you are brushed against one of these, they will tear your wetsuits with much ease and will inject poison into its victims. Well, it doesn't immediately kill you, but will paralyze your body and face and result in many life-threatening situations, as reported by many scuba divers. That wasn't the most terrifying part. You won't even realize that you have been poisoned by it until it's too late to do anything, and that's the most terrifying part. There are other creatures like sharks and jellyfishes to be cautious about already, but this little flower is dangerous to a whole another level. Just stay away from these when in the ocean. Number 6. The stonefish. The world's most venomous fish is a close relative to the scorpion fishes known as the stonefish. Through its dorsal fin spines, the stonefish can inject a venom that is capable of killing an adult person in less than an hour. As we can see in these pictures, stonefish are masters of camouflage and can blend in so perfectly with their surroundings that the predators and even human scuba divers see them at all. They almost always sit perfectly still on the seafloor in their preferred habitat of coral and rocky reefs, and their colors are often a perfect match for the substrate. If stung anywhere on the torso or the upper body, the results are always fatal. Waiting for hours at a time, stonefish strike when their potential prey is less than their body length away. Their powerful jaws and large mouths create so much pressure that they are easily able to suck down their suspecting prey and swallow it whole. Number 5. The beaked sea snake. As much as these snakes are a threat to humans on land, they are much more dangerous under the murky waters of the Indian Ocean. They are recognized for the deadliest snake venom on the planet. The 1.5 milligrams of these snakes' venom is rated as 8 times as toxic as a cobra that it can result in certain death in a matter of hours. They are active both during the day and at night. They are able to dive up to 100 meters and stay underwater for a maximum of 5 hours before resurfacing. Sea snakes are equipped with glands to eliminate excess salt. They are venomous and notably aggressive, with some herpetologists describing them as cantankerous and savage. These snakes are often found in the seas of Madagascar, Southeast Asia, Australia, and New Guinea. According to Thailand's National Park Agency, beaked sea snakes are responsible for more than 50% of snake bites. Number 4. The Portuguese man of war. This creature is so deadly that it was featured as the aquatic pet of the James Bond villain. The man of war is not an actual jellyfish but a siphonophore. Also, the man of war is not a single organism, it is made up of many different organisms that work together. These organisms are called polyps. The Portuguese man of war is usually found in the northern Atlantic Gulf Stream. It can also be found in the tropical and subtropical regions of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. The main portion of the man of war's body is an oblong gas-filled bladder. The bladder is usually 9 to 30 centimeters long and is translucent pink, blue, or purple. On top of the bladder is a crest that is to catch the wind and move the man of war along. If you were to get stung by a man of war, you would experience a very painful sensation where you got stung. The toxin that the man of war uses blocks nerve conduction. This causes the severe systematic syndrome that is accompanied by a fever, possibly shock, and interference with heart and lung functions. With every creature coming out to be so venomous, I don't know which to rank as number 1. Number 3. The saltwater crocodile. Earth's largest living crocodilian and some way the animal most likely to eat a human is the saltwater or estuarine crocodile. Average size males reach 17 feet and 1000 pounds, but specimens 23 feet long and weighing 2200 pounds are not uncommon. Saltwater crocs or salties, as the Australians affectionately refer to them, have an enormous range populating the brackish and freshwater regions of eastern India, Southeast Asia, and northern Australia. They are excellent swimmers and have often been spotted far out at sea. Classic opportunistic predators, they lurk patiently beneath the surface near the water's edge, waiting for potential prey to stop for a sip of water. They will feed on anything they can get their jaws on, including water buffalo, monkeys, wild boar, and even sharks. Without warning, they explode from the water with a thrash of their powerful tails, grasp their victim and drag it back in, holding it until the animal drowns. Number 2. The tiger shark. Talking about terrifying ocean creatures and not having a shark species on the list? That's not possible. The tiger shark is a large predator found in tropical and subtropical waters worldwide. Tiger sharks are one of the 3 main shark species known to attack humans and are responsible for most shark attacks in Hawaii. They belong to the subspecies of requiem sharks. Tiger sharks can grow in size up to 20 feet and weigh 800 pounds. Some tiger sharks have exceeded their measurements, but the average is about 12 feet and 600 lbs. Tiger sharks can be found worldwide in tropical waters and most temperate seas. They are most commonly found along the coast of South Africa, the Philippines, Australia, the Indian and Pacific Oceans, and in the Caribbean. The tiger shark is quite flexible and tolerating different habitats. They inhabit both the surfaces of shorelines and deep open waters. Most tiger sharks swim in deep waters during the day and come to shore to feed during the night. The tiger shark has earned the nickname the garbage can shark. They will take a bite out of anything, whether it is a dolphin, sea turtles, or even the floating garbage. I guess that is the reason this name is given to the animal. Number 1. The box jellyfish. The infamous box jellyfish develop its frighteningly power venom to instantly stun or kill prey like fish and shrimp, so their struggle to escape wouldn't damage its delicate tentacles. Their venom is considered to be among the most deadly in the world and containing toxin that can attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. It is so overpoweringly painful, human victims have been known to go into shock and drown or die of heart failure before even reaching the shore. Survivors can experience considerable pain for weeks and often have significant scarring where the tentacles made contact. Box jellies, also called sea wasps or marine stingers, live primarily in coastal waters of North Australia and throughout the Indo-Pacific. They are pale blue and transparent in color, get their name from the cube-like shape of their bill. And that would be all we have for today's video, people. I hope you were terrified enough to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to The Unleashed for daily spooky content. Also, comment down below which of these creatures frightened you most. Until next time, keep vibing.